Hello everyone, my name is JWinder and this is my personal goals video. I'm going to share with you a little bit about who I am, where I come from, my personal goals and professional goals, and then a little bit about why I chose Fort Hays State and some expectations that I have for the program. First, a little bit about who I am personally. I grew up in Troy, Kansas and graduated from Troy High School in 2002. I've been happily married to my wife Callie here for 15 years. Callie and I love the outdoors and enjoy staying active. My hobbies include golfing and biking, so most likely on a day off or a nice day, you will find me on a beautiful golf course or on a bike ride. Who I am professionally. I'm a graduate of Missouri Western State University with a bachelor's degree in physical education. I'm currently in my 15th year teaching and coaching in the Waukegan and Riverside School District. We are a consolidated district up here in northeast Kansas. I initially began my career in Waukegan, and then in 2011 we consolidated with Elwood and we created the Riverside School District. My favorite part of this profession is building relationships with my students and also the staff that I work with. It's my daily goal to make a positive impact on every student I encounter. A little bit about my educational background. As mentioned before, I'm a 2002 graduate of Troy High School. I then chose to move on to Highland Community College and I continued playing football there. I graduated in 2004. And then I had a short stint at Avila University in Kansas City, Missouri, where continued my football career as well. After that semester there, I decided that I want to change my major to physical education, and so I transferred back to Missouri Western and graduated from Missouri Western in 2007. Some personal goals that I have over the next 1 to 5 years. I would like to get our home built and get settled in. Callie and I are in the home building process, so we want to get settled in there soon. I would like to focus on my personal health and then continue growing in my faith, continue growing as a man and a husband and um, a teacher and professional. And over the next 6 to 10 years, I would hope to be enjoying our home, continued focus on my personal health, as well as continued growth in all other aspects of my life. And then beyond 10 years, I would want to continue taking care of my personal health and then continue growing in my faith and in my profession and as a husband and all of those things, all those areas of my life. My professional goals. Over the next 1 to 5 years, I would like to get my master's degree finished, and then I would like to continue coaching and teaching. That's something in the near future that I want to keep doing. In the next 6 to 10 years, I see myself continuing to coach and teach, and then I want to continue growing in my profession and developing as a professional. Beyond 10 years, I would like to continue growing in our profession as well as possibly take that step into building leadership later on in my career. Why Fort Hays State? Um, a couple initial reasons that I looked into Fort Hays State University was some recommendations from colleagues who have been in online programs here, um, as well as the cost. I thought it was very competitive and affordable. Um, and then it's a local Kansas college, which I like and I took some pride in. And it was also all online, as you know. So those are four very good main reasons why I chose Fort Hays State. Some initial program expectations. Number one is it's just a great opportunity for professional development. Um, Regardless of how soon I choose to be an administrator, I think it will be great knowledge and things that I can, learn and grow from. And then finally, um, it is preparation to be a future administrator or school leader. So those are all of my reasons for attending Fort Hays State, as well as the expectations I have for the program and a little bit about myself. Thank you all for listening and have a great day.